The Press and Registrations of Book Act 1867, an act for the regulation of printing press and newspaper or the preservation of copies of books and newspaper printed in India and of registration of such books and newspapers. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Now more about the rules and regulations for print and newspaper media known as the Press and Regulation of Book Act 1867. Before moving ahead, like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Particulars to be printed on books and papers. Every books or paper printed within India shall be printed legibly on its name of the printer and the place of printing, and if the book or paper to be published, the name of the publisher and the place of the publication. Keeper of printing press to make declaration. No person shall within India keep his or her possessions any press for the printing of book or paper who shall not have made an subscription following declaration before within those local jurisdictions. Rules to be prescribed to the newspaper. No newspaper shall be published in India except in conformation with the rules without prejudice to the provision of Section 3. Every copy of each such newspaper shall contain the name of the owner and editor thereof printed clearly on such copy and also the date of publication. The printer and the publisher of each such newspaper shall appear behalf in accordance with rules made under Section 20 before a district, presidency or sub-district magistrate whose local jurisdiction such newspapers shall be printed or published and shall make and subscribe. A declaration in respect of the newspaper made under rule and authenticated under Section 6 shall be necessary before the newspaper can be published, where the title of any newspaper or the language or the periodicity of the public is charged. The declaration shall cease to have effect and new declaration shall be necessary before the publication of newspaper can be continued. Every declaration made in respect of the newspaper shall be void where the newspaper does not commence publication within 6 weeks in a case of newspaper to be published once a week or often within 3 months in the case of any other newspaper. Every existing declaration in respect of the newspaper shall be cancelled by the magistrate before whom a new declaration is made and subscribed in respect of the same. Keepers of the printing presses and printers and publishers of the newspaper in to make fresh declaration with subscribed period. Inspections and supply of copies. The officer in charge of each original of the latter declare shall allow any person allowing to inspect the original or payment of fee of 1 rupee and shall give any person apply to copy of the said later declaration attested by the seal of the court having custody of the original on payment of the fee of 2 rupee.